Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to clean your Dyson V11 Absolute Extra, the bin, the filter, and the vacuum hood. So first of all, we're gonna empty the bin. Okay. You can just press this one, it's a red one, to take out the bin. Now we're gonna just take out some dust and here. Make sure this part is not wet. Don't ever put water on this part, or else it will suck onto the machine and it will damage the vacuum. So we will just gonna wipe it out with a dry cloth. Okay, I'm doing it outside so there will be no more dust inside the house. You can clean the bin with water, but make sure to dry it up when you're finished. So we're gonna use some water. So I have bucket full of water, so we're just gonna use this cloth, wet cloth. Now for the filter at the back, you just need to turn it counterclockwise, and you can see the filter so dirty. You can wash it with water, but make sure to let it dry at least for 24 hours. But if you will just gonna use it immediately, you just gonna wipe it out with dry cloth. Okay, because we're still gonna use the vacuum, so we're just gonna clean it up with dry cloth. Okay. Now it's clean, good as new. Just clean it here with dry cloth. We put it back. And now the vacuum head. Turn counterclockwise again. There it goes. Gotta put it on the trash can. Untangle the hair. Again, you can wash this with water, but make sure to dry it up at least 24 hours before you put it back again. Guys, I use the duster to clean this part. guys, it's back. It's all set up again and clean. Alright guys, our vacuum is clean again, ready to use. Filter is clean, the bin is clean, and the vacuum head is clean. Thank you guys for watching, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss some of my other future videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Until next time, bye!